Charlie, look at Mama, honey. Ah.
Oh. Get out of the picture.
Charlie, who is that from?
Grandma, Papa.
Grandma and Grandpa. What is it?
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Little piece by little piece.
We'll get there.
Oh good.
There.
Oh gosh.
What is it?
Ooh. Oh, look at that. What are those, Charlie?
Charlie, do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Come here, let Daddy help you open it.
Okay.
Are we gonna open it?
Jonathan?
Yeah.
Here, we gotta stick our finger in it.
Jonathan?
Oh no, we're good. It should be. There.
Wow.
I guess they're probably attached, huh?
I think some things come apart on them. Stacking kind of trucks.
Go. Whoa.
Look how it comes apart, Charlie.
Does he know what the cement truck is?
That's a
Yeah, oh,
digger.
he knows about a cement truck.
This is a digger.
Whoa!
Cement truck.
Lots of pieces and parts. All right.
Goes on the back.
Isn't that the back?
That's the front.
Green, honey.
Or I don't know, actually. That could be.
Mister.
The other way around.
Yeah, I think she was right the first way. You can do it, Charlie. Can you put the green one on?
Put that one on.
Oh,
You put that one on. Turn it around.
Keep going.
I guess that's it. There you go. There's your truck.
And your digger.
What do you think, Bud? Is that neat?
Those are neat.